welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful Gmail shortcuts. I'll go with step by step. Now, step 1, click on the settings. You will get the settings top right corner. Click on see all settings. Under general tab, you need to scroll down to keyboard shortcuts. You can see by default it is keyboard shortcuts is off. You have to make it on and make sure you are save changes. Now I'll show you fast shortcut. It is compose. I'll show you how to do from keyboard. Just you have to press C. Now you can start composing the message. Let me close this. I want to reply this email. Just press R from the keyboard and you will get the reply screen from here. I want to reply all. Press A. It will show you same reply screen with all the email IDs in to and CC. Shortcut number 4. I want to forward this email to another email ID. Then I can click on F. Now you can see forward message. It will forward. You can type the email ID whom you want to forward. Next shortcut is shortcut number 5. I want to show you how to archive this email. To archive this email, you have to press E. Now you can see mail got archived. Your inbox get cleaner in one step. Shortcut number 6 is search. You have to press the forward slash. Now I can write anything, it will come automatically. Shortcut number 7. Let I want to make this mail as a unread. You have to do Shift plus U. You can see this mail is now unread. Next shortcut, it is shortcut number 8. If you want to select your current conversation, then press X. It will select the first email and you can do whatever you want to do, whether you want to delete or read, unread, whatever the activity you want to do, you can do. Then shortcut number 9, I want to send this person without touching the mouse, then you have to do Ctrl plus enter. Now you can see message sent here. Shortcut number 10 is open the draft message. You can see I have 5 draft messages here. I want to open that. You have to do G plus D. Okay, so G here you have to press it, then you have to press D. Okay, G plus D. It will open the all draft emails you will get here. Let's summarize all the shortcuts here. Start using even a few of these and you will notice how much faster you get at handling emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.